CCTV Lawan Rashapi Daka Frank Motors Kajaka Dekali Gabatamai Jungka Tata Motors Halatko Ni Shillong Ringkat Bakanet Foodish Ordan Mapi Ninwan Ramani Hakir Dobying Jompi
Ka Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides West Jingkitkhlieh Hills District kum shibinta ka World Environment Day kala penlong da ka jingthung ni kitan riding ha ka hendrel tarik ubnai jilleo arajar arpuar shwa ka jingthung ni kitan riding la penlong shwa ya ka jingelang bala penyait da u Joint District Secretary jong ka Mbs&G u adiam yubtho harengkat ka jing sakhilang jong ka District Organizer ka Kong Siami Shilla u District Training Commissioner Scouts ka West Jingkitkhlieh Hills District Uba Julius Lindo but ka District Commissioner G ka West Jingkitkhlieh Hills ka Kong S Tariang Hagani ka jingelang ginongelam jong ka Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides West Jingkitkhlieh Hills District keliyatho ba ka Scouts and Guides movement kum ka way ni kikinhon ka badonya ka thong ban penne pensa ye ka mayram o kalapen bana ki project ba pher ban yada ye ki ding ki sit ki klau ki pitam bat ban khanglat ye ka jing pendon kam ni ki plastic bat ki way
We know every person has needs. Everybody has something to do with nature. But at the same time, we should also respect nature. There should be a balance in our dealing with nature because human needs also are there. However, there should be a balance when we use our mother nature. And our movement has been a very strong movement in protecting nature. So we have 3 main projects in the Scout movement, Scout and Guide, initiated by the WOSM, by the WACS, and also by the Bharat Scouts and Guides. One we have is Earth Tribe, Earth Tribe project. This is a project where it helps the young people to live globally as a citizen of the environment. So many projects are being organized in this so that our youth will learn how to love and how to respect nature.
Why UN has put this day as Environment Day? They have instituted it right from June 5th, 1972. Now it is for encouraging worldwide, encouraging the people all over the world about the awareness and action to protect the Mother Earth, to protect the environment as a whole. You know, God has created the world so beautiful, but it is we who live on it has spoiled the earth, has spoiled the environment, because we are such a person, people who hunger after richness, then we spoil everything that is so beautiful and so great. And so today is we let us pledge, all of us take the major act. The major act as we, as guides, Bharat Scout and Guides, will take the platform to make the awareness, to warn the mankind about eliminating the things that are around the world. Because we should be aware of the climate change nowadays. We should be aware of the global warming nowadays. We should be aware of air pollution nowadays. Air pollution has spoiled the organs of our body.
Biasa. Ini